Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from group 3 and today we are going to present our presentation and our presentation title is more short. First of all, let me introduce my friend. My name is Radion Talif Bagaskoro and here is my friend.
And my name is Bilvan Nabil Akhian.
My name is Adi Karlanda Bagasdika. Introduction. Background problems. The development of science and technology is currently very advanced, and computers are the one of the high technologies. Schools, cities, and communities, computerization in human activities is very helpful because computer can work more truthfully and accurately in processing data. Data processing cannot be used in everyday life, but also computer can be used to process data. Data processing is the process of processing data element or their combination to make data useful. An algorithm is a collection of decisions obtained from decision to solve problem.
History short algorithm. The word algorithm comes from the Latinization of the name of an Uzbek mathematician Al-Khawarizmi lived around the 9th century, as stated in his translation of his works in Latin from the 12th century. Algorithmi de numero inderum. Initially, the word algorithm is a term that refers to arithmetic rules for solving problems using Arabic numeric numbers, actually from India as written in the title above. In the 18th century, this term developed in an algorithm which includes all procedures or a clear sequence of steps needed to solve a problem. The problems arise when figuring out how the process must be faced in a system program for the computer so that at the time of execution, the computer can work as expected.
Definition of sort algorithm. Sorting is the process of assisting a group of objects according to a certain order or arrangement. Sorting can be a value, object, or a name. Sorting algorithm is an algorithm that stores a list in a certain order, usually increasing or decreasing, usually used to sort numbers or letters. The sorting efficiency is needed to optimize speed. The more efficient an algorithm is, the more time it is executed and executed. It will spend less time and can receive more input from users. Today, sorting is not quite as conspicuous as process it used to be. The most common example we experience every day is sorting clothes or other items on e-commerce website either by lowest prices to highest or list by popularity or some other order.
Benefit of algorithm. First, make someone to able to think according to the truth and reality. Second, able to think in the right time and place. And then improve capabilities objectively and format. And then increase intelligence and improve independent thinking skill. Also encourage to think for the reader independently. Merge sort can be useful for sorting slow access data, and it is excellent for sorting data that are normally accessed sequentially. And then we have function of algorithm. First, using algorithmic function can turn large program into simple program. Second, algorithm function can be used repeatedly or more than once. Third, make it easy to create programs. And the last is can solve all problems with logic and sequence.
Type of sort algorithm. First, we have bubble sort. The second is insertion sort. The third is selection sort. The fourth is quick sort. The fifth is merge sort. And the last is hash sort. History of merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm that was invented by John von Neumann in 1945. A detailed description and analysis of bottom-up merge appeared in a report by Goldstein and Newman as early as 1948. Merge is one of the most popular sorting algorithms that is based on the principle of divide and conquer algorithm.
Definition of merge sort. Merge sort is one of the six methods of sorting. This method is called merge sort or data sorting by combining data. According to the word, merge means that the data will be combined to make it sorted. Broad speaking, a data series to be sorted will be divided first and then compared with each other data from each section and then combined again and again.
This is how is merge sort works. First of all, we have to take unsorted number and then we have to divide the whole number into equal halves. And then after we divide the two number, we divide it again to some halves again. And then we further divide this number and we achieve atomic value which can number be divided like 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42, and 44. After that, we compare 27 and 10 in the target list of two values. We put 10 first, followed by 27. It's like 14 beside the 33 and 10 beside the 27, 19 beside the 35, 42 beside the 44. After that, we compare list of two data values and merge them into a list. 10 beside the next to 14 and next to 27 and next to 33, and the second half is 19 next to 35 next to 42 and next to 44. After the final merging, the list of numbers should look like this. Start with number 10 and then 14, 19, 22, 33, 35, 42, and 44.
Implementation of Mershot. Mershot use the concept of divide and conquer, which divides the data into two groups. The data sharing process is carried out recursively until the data can be divided again, or in other words, data interpretation in a single. After the data can be divided again, the process of merging carries out between the subsections by paying attention to the order of the data.
And here is the Java code of merge sort. In the left, this is the code that we use in Java, and the right is the result. Before 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 the sorting, the number is 4, 6, 5, 2, 3, 1, 5, 9, 7, and 11 and 8. After sorting, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Conclusion. Merge sort is sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique. It is one of the most respected algorithms. Merge sort first divided the array into equal halves and then combines them in sorted manner. Merge sort is one of the six methods of sorting. This method called merge sort or data sorting by combining data. According to the word, merge means the data will be combined to make it sort. Broadly speaking, a data series to be sorted will be divided first and then compared with each data from each section and then combined again and again. Suggestion regarding to our sort algorithm: you need to pay attention for the requirement execution time, algorithm implementation or handling of certain cases. Addition, It is necessary to carry out more in-depth research in order to obtain valid data as a reference. If the reader wants to use MetaSort, it is the one of the most respected algorithm that has a sorting technique based on divided and conquer technique. So merge sort can be useful for sorting slow access data, and it is excellent for sorting data that are normally accessed sequentially.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we will see you on our next project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.